When we begin to look at the fact that Malcolm X changed his name, and when you look at Malcolm, this is going to be the same root as Malek, Malcolm. This is going to begin to lead us to king, to chief, over waters and nations with the mems, okay? The mem also stands for the Messiah. When we begin to look at the letter X in Paleo Hebrew, this would be the Tov. Now, the word Tov in itself in Hebrew means good. The letter Tov begins to represent oath, sign, symbol, and mark. Therefore, these people group did not sign their names out of lack of literacy. They began to use the letter X to enter into an oath of coercion with the American government. When we begin to see that the Native Indian chiefs are the one who signed their name X. So Malcolm X is king or chief. When he began to state that we are Africans, yet he said that we did not land on Plymouth Rock landed on us. When we specifically unveil this is the telling of the chattel slavery that Native Indian people groups began to experience, being sold into Europe, West Africa, and back into the Americas. When we specifically look at Plymouth, we will see the Wampanoag tribe of the Native Indians. These were began to call people of the first light, as well as the Pul-Ayup people group. They are greatly known for signing their name in the letter X. So when we begin to see people of the first light, the word first in Hebrew is going to be Rashan, with that Resh constituting as head. It is in relationship to Bereshit or Rashid, which is in the beginning. Elohim said, let there be light. So that's the first light of creation. Light in Hebrew means Ur of Chaldean is where Abraham began to come from. When we began to look at the word for chief in Native Indian language, it is Shechem. And when we begin to look at Shechem in Hebrew, this is Shechem. Shechem is the first place where the people from Ur began to pitch their tent in the time of Abraham in 2181 BC. These are Hebraic people groups of the first light, and Abraham was a chief. He was a sheik. Line up on line, precept on precept.